Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another reading chart, how to read candlestick chart, video where I discuss those kind of trades, because we have weekends, those kind of trades which I have already done on support and resistance, to get a deeper insight in how and why I took those trades, and on those kinds of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So join the Facebook group. So okay, let's see if we are going to start now. This is the video, and as soon there will be a trade, I will stop the video and explain. I have drawn here already some kind. Let me explain first of all what we have here. That is important, because that I have explained in the deep explanation video. The first thing what I do is almost understanding the market condition and and a higher time frame. So in general, what we have here? We have here in general a bullish candle. Yes, this is a bullish candle. Then we have here a doji. Yes, that is what I see immediately. This is a doji. Yes, and if you look right, yes, you see here also, if you are looking for a candle for chart patterns, something what looks like this here. Yes, this looks like a descending triangle. Yes, and that is what I would expect. But we have here a major uptrend. Yes, you see here the 50-20. Yes, so we could here expect maybe also a pullback of the 20 EMA. Yes, here we have an uptrend. So, and the market condition is an uptrend, because you see the Bollinger Band is pointing up, and this Bollinger Band is also pointing up. So we are here still into an uptrend. So that is what the market condition is about. So I draw here some kind of support and resistance levels, yes, because that is like, because you see price touch this area a lot of times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, yes, and it's still not broken, yes. So that was the support and resistance level which I have drawn here, yes, based on the touches of the wicks. So, and as soon as I enter into a trade, I will explain what's happening here and why I enter. So I was waiting here. We got an engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle, but this bearish engulfing candle doesn't unfold like expected. Yes, this would not be a bearish candle, but look, this is exactly that what I have explained in the last price action, how to read candlestick chart video, where I talked about let me see which it was. It was this one here, where I told you how to predict the next candle. Yes, and I will show you this here again so you understand this, what I have done here. So where do we have this page? So let me see. Yes, it was this one here. Yes, you get, let me see, an engulfing candle. You get an engulfing candle. Yes, a bearish, also the bearish engulfing candle here. Yes, a bearish engulfing candle. The next candle is such kind of weak candle. Yes, something like this bearish engulfing, and then you get a weak candle like this. Yes, it doesn't matter if it's in this case or other ways. It's important only that it's a weak candle. Yes, then you can expect on the next candle what exactly that price will go down. Yes, because this candle is a retracement of this upcoming downtrend. Yes, that is what I have explained last time in the last deep explanation video. Yes, and I'm preparing already with the mouse on the lower button, because I knew these things. Yes, and so I'm waiting for some. Okay, I entered immediately. Yes, because I understood that price would not go up. Why? Because, and I'm putting here also support and resistance at this level. Why I entered immediately? Because this candle, if this candle would act like to expect, this candle would shoot up. Yes, that is the reality. Yes, if this candle would be a reversal pattern, yes, this pin bar, it would shoot up. Yes, but because this candle didn't shoot up, this running candle, this candle, I entered into a put expecting that price would go down, because this was what I had explained in the ebook about the engulfing candle. Yes, and yes, okay. Now after this, I was not able to do anything anymore. Yes, because it was already here. In the expiration time. Yes, so at the end it closed as like a pin bar 2. Yes, so that was then again because this candlestick closed below the support and resistance level. So wait, I have to. So I entered here again into a put because there are a lot of reasons. First of all, the momentum of this candle in the last few seconds, it shot down below the support and resistance level. Yes, below this level here. Yes, at the last second, that is already a strong sign of a strong momentum downwards. Yes, then we got here this kind of descending triangle. Yes, and because we are close to the apex. Yes, watch my video about the descending and ascending triangle, because here we have the upper. We are close to the apex because we are here. You see it's getting narrowing. Yes, it's going smaller and smaller, tiny and tiny. Yes, that means that this candle could be already the significant candle. Yes, which shows first of all selling pressure without ending. Yes, and this triangle is going to the apex where the breakout will happen. That means we are here already in a close breakout zone, and that's the reason why I entered here into a put, expecting that price would go down due to this kind of candle, this kind of chart pattern. Yes, and that was already, and the momentum of this candle, yes, which brought the candle from above in a few seconds down below the support and resistance levels. So that was this one. To make this more clear, so I will do play again to see what's happened. And yes, and because also the previous candle here, this candle here stopped exactly on this level here and doesn't continue. Yes, it was for me clear that this area will act as resistance level. Yes, because this is a change of polarity. You see here support, here it got resistance, here it got broke through this, and so it would again act as resistance. And that's the reason why I'm entering at the support and resistance level. It's the same what I have explained when you trade at consolidation area between EMAs. You should always try to get at the edges, and if you're closer you are to the support and resistance level, better it is. So this candle didn't unfold like I would expect, because this candle would show much more selling pressure. Yes, I would have expected some kind of huge candle, but this huge candle didn't appear because we got here this kind of strong level. This is a strong support level, yes, and that's the reason maybe that I didn't enter into a trade now, because I was not sure what's happening. Let me see. Okay, I'm preparing to do a call, yes, because I understood that this area is strong one, but it doesn't showcase this. Yes, it was a call and it doesn't showcase this. And maybe it was better in this case, yes, because you see price is going down, yes, because this candle already was weak, yes, and was also a retracement. This candle was also a retracement of this upcoming breakout, yes, because after this you get often such kind of candles. You get a doji, some kind of dojis, or you get some kind of dragonfly, gravestone dojis at these key levels, yes, because price, okay, I entered into a call, because price often in this kind of areas, before they break out, they get such kind of weak candles, this kind of indecision candles, yes, to trick those traders, yes, and they would have tricked also me in this kind of trades, yes, because you have seen I want to enter into a call expecting that this area would hold, yes, but it didn't hold. So after this, it breaks through this, it created a boturbotrader candlestick, and then I have applied here nothing else than the one deviation, the BOTT not the one deviation, the BOTT sure shot 1, yes, this breakout of this area was for me not a significant one, yes, because you see here the distance, the 50 EMA is still pointing up. We are getting here also some kind of, what is this? Yes, Bollinger Squeeze, yes, and that's the reason why I entered immediately into a call, because I understood that this is only a fake breakout, yes, that this of this kind of area, and yes, and that was the reason why I entered into this trade, because of the BOTT sure shot 1, yes. So I entered into a call because the trend is still up, yes. I saw this based on the EMAs and also on the Bollinger Band, and so I decided to enter into a call after this Marubozu candlestick, which is in this case for me, or it was in this case for me, some kind of exhaustion candle. And you see price is shooting up, yes. Yes, and let's see what's happening next. It stopped exactly on the level and is creating here something, yes, it's rejecting also from the 20 EMA and is creating something like an inverted bullish hammer. And this inverted bullish hammer, like I have explained so often, is mostly nothing else than a trend continuation pattern, and that's the reason why I entered immediately again into a call, yes, because I understood that there will come up some kind of fake breakout. This is nothing else than this, what I have explained in the ebook as a last kiss. You get a breakout here. Let me show you this. I have to stop the video. So we have here this descending triangle. Yes, so we have here this descending triangle. Yes, so I would say this one would be something like this. Yes, and here we have this. So, and now we got here the breakout of it. Yes, and now we are doing the pullback to this horizontal neckline of this descent, or the horizontal support and resistance level. In this case, it got from support, because here you see support, 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 yes, support, support, and now we are getting here resistance, 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 yes, and that's the reason, but because this candle is an inverted bullish hammer, which is a trend continuation pattern, I entered into this trade because I was expecting that price would break through this area, yes, and that's why I traded in the direction of the upcoming trend here, this small minor trend, uptrend, and that's the reason why I didn't have done a put from this level. I did a call because I understood that this candle is a trend continuation candle. So let's see what's happening. That is a pullback. And you see, you could always also do a call, a put from this support and resistance level. Yes, that is also possible. Yes. And you see, it was a close one. It would maybe have been better, yes, to do this. So, and then I entered again into a call, yes, because I was still believing that price would go up, yes, based on the fake breakout of the 20 EMA, yes. And this candle is a gravestone doji. I tried to close, to enter a little bit below the closing price of the previous bullish gravestone doji to get a little bit of margin of safety, yes. But I was expecting that price would break through the 20 EMA. I don't know if this will happen now. Yes, it looks like this. Yes, it looks like this, that we are going to break out through the 20 Bollinger Band, not Bollinger, 20 EMA, yes, and the fake breakout, you see, it was a fake breakout which took a little bit longer than only one candle. That is this what I have explained about the fake breakouts in my video, deep explanation videos. Yes, if you do here some kind of candlestick math, opening price, closing price, you got here again something what looks like a gravestone doji. So, and then you have a morning star. And so, and after this, yes, I entered here into a put, yes, because this is the last kiss, yes, the last kiss, the pullback of this candlestick. So you could have done here a lot of trades into a put. This would be a little bit risky because there would be no margin of safety to enter, but this would be a nice in the money, yes, if you would trade this kind of pullback here on this horizontal line. And that was the last trade which I have done. That one here would be an out of the money, yes, for sure, if if I entered a little bit earlier, because this was really tricky, yes, but at the end, yes, it's worked out, yes, because I was waiting for some kind of yes, a reaction. So, and after this you could do almost also another put, yes, because then you get here this kind of breakout downwards, yes, again, yes, because price moves mostly in this kind of behavior here, yes, and so you could here a deep descending triangle, a breakout, and then the complete pullback, yes, and you could trade this here a really nice candle for candle. And another put would be most probably, because this doji showed already again that price will get into a reversal here at this horizontal line. So that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.